Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving a problem on locus. Given problem is if A is 1 comma 2, B is 2 comma 3 and C is minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. Okay. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to P square. Then show that the equation of locus of point P is 7x plus 4, 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay friends. Now in this problem you observe what we are doing, equation of a locus of a point P. So let us consider P is a point. Suppose P is here. Then what you require actually, locus of this P. Locus means what? Locus of P is nothing but, remember friends, locus is nothing but a moving path. Locus is nothing but a moving path which satisfies certain geometrical condition. Locus is nothing but moving path which satisfies a certain conditions. So in this problem they have to give a condition to get the equation. What is the condition they are given? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2P square. This is the condition they are given. You know only P. Let us consider the P is also one point on the xy plane. Okay. Now it's such that PA square, PB square, PC square. Are they given ABC? ABC, yes, they are given. Suppose if A is a point here and B is another point here and C is also another point we have, then you require distance PA and PB. Now PA square plus PB square is equal to twice of PC square we need to prove. Okay friends, now we will solve this problem. See, first what are the given what they are given, A, B, C values. Let P is a point on the xy plane, that is P of x comma y, and A is 1 comma 2, B is a point 2 comma minus 3, C is a point minus 2 comma 3. Okay friends, now what you have to prove? It P moves like PA square plus PB square is equal to PC square. So you need to find PA square, PB square, PC square also. So first friends, PA is nothing but difference between 2 points P and A. Friends, actually we have a formula. If A is a point x1 comma y1 and B is another point x2 comma y2, then the equation of distance from the AB, distance from AB, we are denoting with AB is equal to distance between these 2 points, we are denoting with AB, that is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That's it. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or else you can say difference between x ordinate whole square plus difference between y ordinate whole square. Okay. Now I want PA. So here I am considering this is the point x1. This is the point y1. First PA we require now. Next PB. PA means here x2 y2. X2 y2 friends. Now PA I want to find. PA whole square also I need to find. Whole square plus PB whole square. So I will do all are at a time. Now you see friends here. This is x2. Now it is x2 for PA. You see square root of. Next what you required actually, AB is this one. Now we want PA square. PA square is nothing but square root will be getting answer or not. Anyway I will write for you. Now what is PA? x2 minus x1 whole square means 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square. What you have? Y2 minus y1 whole square. So 2 minus y whole square. Now bracket square. Bracket square. Plus PB square. Now you see P is as it is. P is the first point. Now B is the second point. So this is you consider as a x2 point and y2 point. This is you consider as a x2 point and y2 point. x2, y2. Now x2 minus x1 whole square. So square root of 2 minus x, 2 minus x whole square minus 3 minus y. Minus 3 minus y whole square. That's it. Now this is again a square because PB is square now. This is equal to 2 times of 2 times of PC square. We require PC square. So P is the first point and if P is the first point and C is the second point. So in the second point here you can say this is the value x2 and this is the value y2. Okay. Now x2 minus x1 also square root of x2 minus x1 means minus 2 minus x. minus 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. 3 minus y whole square. That's it. Again square because 2 pc square is there. Okay friends. Now you see here I am simplifying this. Then in this case what will happen actually, the square root and root getting square and root getting cancelled. Again square and root getting cancelled. Okay friends. Now I am simplifying this. It will be lengthy but it is easy. Okay. Now 1 minus x whole square is 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 2 minus y whole square is 4 plus y square minus 4y plus this is the bracket friend. Give a bracket for this. Again here 2 minus x whole square means 4 plus x square minus 4x plus minus 3 whole square is 9 plus y square minus 3 into minus y means 3y. 3y 2 is 6 friends. 6y. Okay. Close the bracket. This is equal to twice of, now this is minus 2 minus x whole square. 4 plus x minus 2 into minus x means 2x. 2x times of 2 is 4x plus 3 minus y whole square is 9 plus x square minus 6. Sorry, 9 plus y square. This is y square. Okay. Y square minus 6y. That's it friends. Now you simplify, it is an algebra equation. Okay. Now you see friends, first we are writing the x square terms. One by one I will do step by step. Okay. Now first x square plus x square, that is x square. Y square again y square. X square completed friends. Now y square plus only both are, so 2y square. Next this is minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 6x. Next items minus 4y plus 6y, so you can say plus 2y. Next constants what you have, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18 plus 18. Okay. Now you take this terms on left side, then it will be 2 times of 4. Okay, here you have first x square, y square term is there, so please write on this. This is x square friends, where I have missed it. This is, you see, 2 square means 4, x whole square means x square. First you have x square, 2x square term, so minus 2x square. Y square term if you take left side, minus 2y square. 4x, here 2 is there, so minus 8x. 6y, minus 6y and here 2 is there, so 12. Negative 12 will become a positive 12y. Constants, 9 plus 4 13, 13 2s are 26, negative 26 is equal to 0. Now you observe friends, this is the equation. Now we have to simplify this, then you will get the locus equation. How we will simplify means highest degree terms you write. Highest degree terms what you have first, here you see x square and here you have x square, so this plus 2x square minus 2x square getting cancelled, plus 2y square minus 2y square is there, so these are also getting cancelled. Next here you have minus 6x, here you have minus 8x, so minus 6x minus 8x is there. Next what you have, any x terms are there here? No, you don't have any x terms here. Yes or no? Now what you are getting, minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14x. Next this one is completed. Next y terms, plus 2y plus 12y, so plus 14y. Next constants, this is minus 18, sorry, plus 18 minus 26, nothing but minus 8. Yes or no? Minus 26 plus 18, okay, minus 8 is equal to 0. Now you see friends, here you have 8, 14, 14, so these 3 are even numbers and the negative is also there, so I am taking a divided by minus 2. Can I do with divided by minus 2? Yes or no? Yes. So what you are getting, it will be 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the locus of equation which should satisfy the condition PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 times of PC square. Friends, now I will solve, I will prove The verification also I will do by using the GeoGebra. Okay, graphical representation, right? Now remember this formula we have 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0, and the points also you required. Which condition it should satisfy? Pa square plus pb square is equal to 2p square, friends. Okay, now you see GeoGebra. Now the point, you see what condition it should satisfy? Pa square plus pb square is equal to Pa square plus pb square is equal to 2pc you require to find. Yes or no? Now let the point A is 1 comma 2 and B is a point 2 comma minus 3 and C is a point. Friends, you see condition is this one. Now A is a point 1 comma 2 and B is a point 2 comma minus 3 and C is another point minus 2 comma 3. Now we have an equation. Which equation we have? 7x. You see friends, what is the equation we have actually? This is 7x plus 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the locus of equation. Okay friends, this is the locus of equation. Now I am showing that locus of equation is this one. Now you consider one point. This locus of equation is nothing but it already satisfies one condition. Which condition? Pa square plus pb square is equal to 2p square. Like that we have to take away p. Now I am taking the point p. That's it. You see friends, this is the p point. Now what I am doing actually? PA line segment. You see PA line segment is F. Next PB. PB. Now PB line segment is okay. PB is this one. Next another one PC. Okay friends, now PC is also completed. Now it should satisfy what? PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 times of PC square. It should satisfy. Actually PA we are denoted with F. What is F here? Segment of PA 2.28. Next PB we are denoting with G. What is G here? 3.98. Next what is PC? PC we are denoting with H. So what is H here? 3.24. Okay friends. Now I will verify is P is like that point which is satisfies the geometrical condition or not. Okay. Now you see friends, I am taking the calculator here. Okay. Now here. Now PA, what you have PA is first 2pc square is there. 2pc square is there. You see friends, 2pc square. Okay. Now 2pc square means 3.24 whole square. 3.24 whole square into 2. 2pc square is clear, right? Now pa square plus pb square if you take in left side, so it will be minus pa square. What is the pa square? 2.28 whole square. 2.28 whole square is equal to, okay, minus next 3.98 whole square. 3.98 whole square is equal to, you see friends, what you have? 0 point. Actually you have to get 0, but what is the p here? 0.39, 0.19. Actually 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, that is the different, but 0.39 something is there. That something is error. That error is 0.436 here. So this is equal to, this is satisfies the condition. Which condition means here? Pa square plus pb square is equal to 2pc square is satisfied. Okay, remember that. Okay, now what will happen? You see, if it is satisfied, now I want the locus of equation. Locus is nothing but what? Moving path. Now it is moving. What will happen? You see, if it is moves, you see what will happen? Color also I have gave. Now you see friends, now it is moving. P is moving. You see what you are getting? I think it's a line. Is it a line equation or not? You see friends, yes. Is this line is our resulting equation? What is our resulting equation? Actually we have the resulting equation is 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay friends, now you see this is the equation 1. 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. So our line is satisfied, not same line or not? Yes or no? So is it clear for everyone? Verification is also clear, right? Thank you for watching this video.